Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class standard 11-12. Subject higher mathematics first paper. Chapter name differentiation. Exercise 9C. Lecture 7. Today's lesson. To derivative of parametric equation. Derivative of parametric equation. Sometimes the variables x and y in the equation of a locus are replaced by a third variable for some advantage. This third variable is called a parameter. Equations expressed in terms of parameter are known as parametric equations. Without eliminating the parameter, the process of finding derivative of y with respect to x is shown below. Let x is equal to f of t and y is equal to c of t. Both x and y are function of t. Then we can write derivative of y with respect to x. This equal to derivative of y with respect to t and derivative of t with respect to x. And this equal to we can write derivative of y with respect to t divided by derivative of x with respect to t. Clear? That's mean after calculating this part, we'll get this. Problem. Find derivative of y with respect to x from the following parametric equations. X is equal to a t square and y is equal to 2a t. Here given that x is equal to a t square, therefore derivative of this with respect to t we get 2a t, as here is t, that's mean we have to derivative with respect to t, so here t is a variable. So after derivating this part we will get this, because we know derivative of x to the power n with respect to x, and this equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So here will be t square mean 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1. That's mean 2a t. Clear? And y is equal to here given 2a t and derivative this with respect to t. So t is a variable, and after derivating this equal to only 2a, because derivative of t with respect to t equal to 1. So derivative of y with respect to 2, this equal to will get 2a, but we have to find dx of y, that's mean derivative of y with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x, this equal to we can write derivative of y with respect to t into derivative of t with respect to x. That's mean this equal to we can write derivative of y with respect to t and derivative of x with respect to t. This equal to what? This equal to 2a and this equal to 2a t. Now putting the value of this will get 2a and this equal to 2a t. Now a cut 2 to cut, this equal to 1 by t. This is the required answer. Clear? Now if the index, that's been power or degree of a function is a variable or another function is the product of few functions, then we first take logarithm and then differentiate. Clear? That's mean when power will be variable or power will be another function or product of few functions. That's mean if given product of few functions, we can use logarithm. For two cases, especially when power will be variable and given more functions into product in the form of product, then we can use logarithm. One number, differentiate u to the power v. Here both, that's mean u and v are function of x. Solution, let y is equal to u to the power v. We have to take logarithm on both sides. As a result, we will get left side will be log y and right side will get v log u, because log u to the power v mean v log u. We know the relation. Clear? Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get, that's mean dx ln y, that's mean differentiate of ln y with respect to x, and here differentiate v ln u with respect to x. Now this equal to 1 divided by y dx of y, and here will be v dx ln u, and here ln u fixed, dx of v. We know this formula also. That's mean dx uv equal to, we can write u d dx v plus vt dx of u. Now calculate this. Here will be into y will be into, as here is in the form and divide, so here will be in the form into, that's mean cross multiplication, and derivative of ln u with respect to x, this equal to, we can write 1 by u, and as we have to derivative this with respect to x, so again we have to write dx of u, and here fixed. But y is equal to what? Y is equal to u to the power v. Therefore dx u to the power v, this equal to u to the power v divided by u dx of u plus ln u dx of v, and this equal to, we can write dx of uv, this equal to u to the power v dx of ln u, that's mean this line again follow, that's mean this part, because it is easy to use for solving math. Okay, you can use this formula, no problem. So this equal to u to the power v into dx of ln u plus ln u dx of v. Clear? You have to remember, you have to understand, you have to memorize it. Clear? So practice again and again, because by using this formula we'll solve this exercise. That's mean exercise G. Problem 1. Find the derivative of x to the power x with respect to x, given that x to the power x. Therefore ddx x to the power x, by using formula x to the power x ddx ln x plus ln x ddx x, by using this formula. Clear? Now this equal to x to the power x, and here will be x into ddx of ln x, this equal to 1 by x plus ln x into 1, this equal to here x got 1 plus ln x. alternative process. Given y is equal to, or let y equal to x to the power x, as here is power also variable, so taking ln on both sides, therefore left side will be ln y and right side will be x ln x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we would get ddx ln y equal to ddx x ln x. Clear? But d dx ln y mean 1 by y into ddx of y, and right side here in the form uv, that's mean x fixed, derivative of second part, that's mean ddx of ln x, and ln x fixed, derivative of first part, that's mean ddx of x. Now cross multiplication, here y, and here will be x into 1 by x plus ln x, but y is equal to what? Y is equal to x to the power x. Therefore ddx x to the power x, this equal to x to the power x into 1 plus ln x. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? Very easy, just you have to remember this formula, or you can use this process. Clear? Problem 2. Find the derivative of x to the power cos inverse x with respect to x. Solution. Given that x to the power cos inverse x, therefore ddx x to the power cos inverse x, this equal to x to the power cos inverse x into cos inverse x ddx ln x plus ln x ddx cos inverse x. That's mean this formula is used in here. Now calculate this part fixed, and here will be cos inverse into 1 divided by x, because ddx ln x equal to 1 by x plus ln x into minus 1 divided by square root over 1 minus x square equal to cos x to the power cos inverse x. Here just calculation, after multiplying we'll get this minus ln x by square root over 1 minus x square. This is the required answer. Very easy math. Clear everyone? Find the derivative of e to the power x square. Here this is not both are function, because e is a constant but power is variable. Okay, and we know e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, that's the derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. So derivative of e to the power x square mean e to the power x square into derivative of x square. But this part here, power is a variable, that's mean base variable x and power will be x square. This is also variable, so here we can use this formula. Okay, given that this, so here this part not base is variable, so this equal to, we can write direct this, and here this, and this part x to the power x square. At first we have to take power, then derivative of ln x plus ln x fixed, and then derivative of this part. Now calculate ln x mean 1 by x, and here will be 2x, and finally we'll get, here is common mean this is fixed, and here will be only x, and here will be 2x ln x, or you can take common here x, no problem. This is the required answer. Another form is u into v divided by w. where both u, v and w are the function of x. This is the given condition. That's mean let y is equal to u, v divided by w. Therefore, ln y, taking ln on both sides, ln u, v minus ln w, but ln u, v mean ln u plus ln v minus ln w. Now differentiating this with respect to x, we'll get this. Clear? Now this equal to, we can write 1 by y dy dx, here 1 by u du dx, that's mean derivative of u with respect to x, here 1 by v derivative of v with respect to x, and here 1 divided by w derivative of w with respect to x. Clear? Now cross multiplication, that's mean here will be y and others part same. Now y is equal to what? Y is equal to u into v divided by w. So putting y is equal to u v divided by w, this equal to u v by w into this, that's mean this part. Clear? Now this consider as formula, and by using this we can easily solve the math related in this form, that's mean u v divided by w. Clear? That's mean this type of math, by using this formula you can solve. The given condition. Therefore derivative of this equal to, you can write this, that's mean u v divided by w. Here u mean x, v mean sin x, w mean 1 plus cos x. u v divided by w into 1 divided by u into 1 plus 1 divided by v, v mean sin x, ddx sin x, minus 1 divided by w ddx, w mean 1 plus cos x. That means this formula is used in here. Now calculate, you will get the result. This part fixed, here will be 1 by x, and here will be cos x by sin x, and here will be sin x. That's mean derivative of 1 with respect to x, this equal to 0, but cos this equal to minus sin x. As here is minus, so minus and minus will be plus. Clear? Now calculate this. Here LCM x sin x into 1 plus cos x. So here will be sin x plus sin x cos x, and here will be x into 1 plus cos x into sin x. That's mean x cos x plus x cos x square. Clear? And here will be x sin square x. Now here is a common x, and here will be cos square x plus sin square x. But cos square x plus sin square x, this equal to what? 1. Clear? And this cut. Clear? That's mean this part and this part, as here is x and here is sin x, here is sin x, here x, here x. Now follow next. That's mean we'll get this sin x cos x plus x cos x plus x cos square x plus sin square x, but cos square x plus sin square x is this equal to 1, so here will be only x and other part same. Now taking common here sin x, here will be 1 plus cos x, and here is common x, so 1 plus cos x. Now take common 1 plus cos x. As a result we'll get this. Now 1 plus cos x cut. So this equal to, you can write sin x plus x divided by 1 plus cos x. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? Alternative way. This is a given condition, same math, just process different. We can use logarithm on both sides. Okay, and derivative of this with respect to x, will get this. Clear? same first multiplication y into this, but y is equal to what? Y is equal to x sin x divided by 1 plus cos x, and other part same. Just before math we used formula directly, and here we use logarithm on both sides, and remaining part all are same like as before math. Okay, same to same. So homework, that's mean exercise 9c. I have discussed different kinds of math. Okay, and you have to solve remaining math, and any one of you will face problem, you can share with me, no problem, I will help. Okay, just have to give time and submit the copy 3 October 2020 time 7 p.m. Okay, today up to this. Thank you to all everyone.